Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel JIT Resolution, and this is your host. In this video, I will show you how you can enable and use Internet Explorer on your Windows 11. So without wasting time, let's get started. At first, open your Edge browser. Now click on this option. Now click on Settings. Now click on Default Browser. From this drop down option, select Always Recommended. From this drop down option, select Allow. Now click on Restart to restart your Edge browser. Once your Edge browser restarts, you will see Internet Explorer symbol here. Now open any new tab. Open your desired website. Once you browse any website on your browser, you will see Internet Explorer symbol will be highlighted. Now click on this Internet Explorer symbol to reload your website in Internet Explorer mode. Once you click on it, new pop-up option will appear. Now click on Done. And now you can see your website is in Internet Explorer mode. So friends, this is the way you can enable and use Internet Explorer on your Windows 11. So friends, I really hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.